Good morning children, I am Poonam Bagga and we are studying chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers. In our previous class, we were discussing about comparison of numbers and how to form numbers by using some given digits under certain conditions. Today, we will be extending the same discussion further with the help of some more questions. Here is the first question for you. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Here we are having these 4 digits. With the help of these, we will be forming the greatest and the smallest numbers. But before that, let us discuss that how the numbers are formed using these 4 digits. We can form the number as 9714 or 4719. Or we can start by 1947. We can even start by 7419. Again by 1 we can write 974. So in this way many numbers can be formed by using these 4 digits. Here we will be writing the greatest and the smallest of all those numbers. How to write the greatest number? To write the greatest number, we will start it by the greatest digit. And which is the greatest here? 9. So, we will start the number by 9. Then next, we will write the next greater digit, which is 7. So, we write here 7. Then comes the next greater digit, which is 4. So, we will write 4. And in last we are having 1. So 9741 is the greatest number that can be formed using these 4 digits. Is it clear to you? Now we will make the smallest number. To make the smallest number, we will start it with the smallest digit and it is 1 here. So we will start the number by 1. Then we will take up the next smaller digit which is 4. So we write 4 here. Then we will take up the next smaller digit which is 7. This one. So we write 7 here and last we have 9. So we write here 9. So 1479 is the smallest number formed with the help of these 4 digits. Clear to you? We take one more set of digits 4, 7, 5 and 0. Again, to write the greatest number, we will start with the greatest digit which is 7 here. So, we will start the number with 7. Then comes the next greater digit which is 5. Then we will take the next greater digit which is 4. Yes, very good. And in last we will have 0. Clear to you? Now we will write the smallest number. To write the smallest number, we will start the number by smallest digit, but here in this case the smallest digit is 0 and we cannot start the number by 0 because if we start it by 0 then it won't be a 4-digit number. Let us write it first. Let us start by 0. Then we take the next smaller digit which is 4, then the next smaller digit which is 5 and then 7. Now it is no more a 4-digit number, but we were asked to write 4-digit number and it is a 3-digit number because 0, if we start a number by 0 then it does not have the value at the beginning place. So it is a 3-digit number, but we were asked to write 4-digit number. So we cannot start with the smallest digit 0. So be cautious every time whenever the smallest digit is 0. Now we will start the smallest number by the next smaller digit which is 4. So first of all we will write 4. Now which digit next? Now we can take 0. Now we can take easily 0. Then the next smaller digit which is 5. So we write 5. and in last we have been left up with 7. Now 0 in the center do have a value. Okay. So now the smallest number formed is 4057 and the greatest number formed is 7540 with the help of these 4 digits. Next we have another set of digits 1, 7, 6 and 2. Again, to write the greatest number we will start with the greatest digit and it is 7 here. So we write 7. Then the next greatest or the greater digit is 6. So we write 6. Then the next greater digit out of the remaining 2, this 1 has been left and this 2 has been left. So which is the greater? 2. So 2 will come and then 1. 7621 is the greatest number formed with the help of these 4 digits. Now we will write the smallest number. To begin with, we will take the smallest digit first and it is 1 here. So we write it 1. Then we will take the next smaller digit which will be 2. So we write 2. Next smaller will be 6. So we write 6 and then we have 7 left up. So 1267 is the smallest number formed with the help of these 4 digits. Remember, here we have not repeated any digit because in the question it was written without repetition. That means no digit should be repeated. Each digit will be taken up once and we have taken up each digit once. I hope this has been clear to you. Next we move on to another question. Now make the greatest and the smallest 4 digit numbers by using any one digit twice. Now we have to use one digit twice means 2 times. This means one digit will be repeated. We have the set of digits 9, 0 and 5. To write the greatest number, we will start up with the greatest digit, yes, which is 9 here. We start with 9. Now we have to repeat one digit. To write the greatest number, we will repeat the greatest digit and it is 9 here. So we will write 9 one more. So we have written 9 2 times. Then we will write the next greater digit which is 5 and then we have 0. So here in this case we have formed a 4 digit number. 4 digit number has been asked. So it is a 4 digit number 9950 and the greatest digit has been taken up twice or it has been repeated. Again we will write the smallest number. To write the smallest number, we should repeat the smallest digit, clear, but we should start with which digit? Think it over, because we have 0 with us, so we cannot start it with 0 because then it won't be a 4 digit number. So we will start with the next smaller digit which is 5 here. So we start it with 5. Now we can take 0. Now we have to repeat one digit, so we can take the smallest digit 2 times. We write 0 once again and now the left up digit which is 9. So the smallest number formed is 5009 with the help of these 3 digits. This is a 4 digit number as required in the question with the smallest digit taken up 2 times or twice. Clear? Now we have another set of digits 8, 5 and 1. Once again we will write the greatest number. To write it, we will start with the greatest digit which is 8 here, yes. Now we have to repeat one digit, and to write the greatest number we will repeat the greatest digit which is again 8 here. So we write 8 2 times. Then we will take up the next greater digit which is 5 and then 1 in the last. So we have a 4 digit number with the greatest digit taken up twice and the number is 8851. Okay. Now we will write the smallest number. To write it, we will start the number with smallest digit, which is 1. So we write here 1. Then again we have to repeat. So we will repeat the smallest digit to form the smallest number. So once again we write 1. Then we will take up the next smaller digit, which is 5, and we have 8 in the last. So it is the 4-digit number with 1 taken up 2 times, and the number is 1158. Now we have one more set of digits, 6, 7 and 4. Now to write the greatest number, we will again start with the greatest digit and take it up 2 times, because one digit has to be repeated. So we will write the greatest digit 2 times, which is 7 here. So 7, repeat it, then the next greater digit, which is 6, and then we have 4 in the last. So 7764 is the required 4-digit number, which is greatest. Okay. Now we have to write the smallest number. So we will start with the smallest digit, which is 4, and repeat it. So 4, 4. The next smallest digit is 6. So 6, and then 7 in the last. So 4467 is the smallest 4-digit number formed with the help of these digits by repeating one of the digits, which is the smallest one. Clear to you? We have one more question for you. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digits with conditions as given. Now here some conditions has been given, and according to those we have to form greatest and smallest numbers. The first one is digit 7 is always at ones place. This is the ones place of the number. This is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place, and this is the thousands place. You all know this in your previous class. Now the ones place, we have 7 fixed there, and now we have to write the greatest and the smallest number. We know that there are 10 digits. Let us first write them: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits. 0 is the smallest one and 9 is the greatest one. So to write the greatest number, we will take up the greatest digit first. So greatest digit will come up first, that is 9 in thousands place. Then next greatest digit will be 8. So we write up 8 here, because we have to write the different digits. No digit should be repeated. All the 4 digits should be different. So first we took the greatest digit, which is 9, then the next greater digit, which is 8. Now the next greater digit is 7, but 7 is already there in the ones place. So we cannot take 7, because all the digits should be different. So we will take up the next greater digit, which is 6. So 9867 is the greatest number formed under this condition. Clear to you? Now we will write the smallest number, taking 7 at ones place. It is fixed there. Now to write the smallest number, we should start the number by smallest digit, but 0 is the smallest digit and we cannot start it with 0, because then it won't be a 4-digit number. To keep it a 4-digit number, we will then start it with the next smaller digit, which is 1. So we started with 1, then we can write 0. So we have used 1, we have used 0, then the next smaller digit, which is 2. So we write here 2. Now all the 4 digits are different and we get it as 1027 as the smallest number. Clear to you? Next we have digit 4 is always at tens place. You can see this is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place, and this is the thousands place. Now 4 is fixed at the tens place. We need to write the greatest number. Again, to write the greatest number, we will start up with the greatest digit, which is 9. So we write 9 here, then the next greater digit, which is 8, and then the next greater digit, which is 7. 9 is the greatest, then 8, then 7. Now all the 4 digits are different and it is a 4-digit number, 9847. Clear to you? Now we will write the smallest number with 4 at tens place. So we will start the number with, yes, not with 0 but with 1. We will start it with 1, write 1 here. Now we can take the number or the digit 0. So we write 0 and then we will take the next smaller digit, which is 2. So the number is 1042. I hope it is clear to you. We take more numbers. Digit 9 is always at hundreds place. Now this 9 is fixed at the hundreds place, and again we have to write greatest and the smallest number. Once again we have a look at the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. To write the greatest number, we will start with the greatest digit, but remember all the 4 digits should be different, and 9 is already there. So we cannot start it with 9. Then we will take the next greater digit, which is 8. So we start it with 8. Then the next greater digit, which is 7. And then the next one, which is 6. Now all the 4 digits are different and it is a 4-digit number, 8976. Okay. Now we will write the smallest number. Then we will start it with, not with 0 but with 1, because on starting it with 0 we will have a 3-digit number and we want 4-digit number. So we will start with the next smaller digit, which is 1. Now we can take up 0. We have taken 0 also. Then the next smaller digit, which is 2. So 1902 is the smallest number formed under this condition. The next condition that has been given is digit 1 is always at thousands place. That is, 1 is fixed at thousands place. Now to write the greatest number, we need to write the greatest digit, which is 9. So we write 9, then the next greater digit, which is 8, then the next greater digit, which is 7. Again we form a 4-digit number with different digits, 1987. Next we will form the smallest number. It is starting with 1, so we can easily take 0 at hundreds place. So we will write the smallest digit, which is 0. Next we can't take 1. The next smaller digit is 1, but we can't take 1 because 1 is already present in the thousands place. So we will take up the next smaller digit, which is 2, and then the next smaller digit, which is 3. Is it clear to you? So these are the numbers formed as per the conditions. We have one more question. Take 2 digits, say 2 and 3. Make 4-digit numbers using both the digits equal number of times. We have been given 2 digits, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have to make 4-digit number with the help of this 2 digits, and we have to take both the digits equal number of times. That is, to make 4-digit number, we will take 2 times, 3 also, and 2 times 2 also. Okay. So the greatest number, to write the greatest number, we will start with the greatest digit, and it is 3. Then we will take both the digits 2 times. To write the greatest number, we will repeat the greatest digit So, we will once again repeat it 3, and now we can take the smaller digit which is 2, 3322, 3322. Next, to form the smallest number, we will start with the smallest digit which is 2 in this case. Then we have to write it 2 times. So, we will take the smallest digit 2 times to form the smallest number. Then we can write the next digit which is 3 and take it 3. So, 2233 is the smallest number formed under this condition, which says that both the digits should come equal number of times. So, both of them are coming 2 times. Here the greatest number comes first, so this is the greatest number. Here the smallest number is starting the number, so it is the smallest number. Now, how many numbers can be formed in this condition? You can think it over. We can get 3322 is the number. Besides that, we can write 3232, or we can write 2332, or we can write this number, or we can take 2 first and then 3, or we can write 3223. These are the 6 numbers that can be formed in this condition. Clear? Next, in our previous class we were discussing ascending and descending order of numbers. We are just having once again a look at it. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. These are the numbers and we have to arrange them in ascending order. What is ascending order? An arrangement from smallest to greatest. First of all, the smallest number will come, then the greater, and then the greatest. Let us write. We have the numbers. You can easily see that here we are having 3 digits, here we are having 4 digits, again 4 digits and again 3 digits. The smaller one will be one of these two. Which one will it be? With the smallest digit at the hundreds place, which is 5 here. 5 is the smallest. So, the first number will come up to be 571. Then the next number which is smaller is 847, the numbers with 3 digits. Next we are having these two numbers. Of these two, this 8 at thousands place is smaller, so it will come up first, 8320, and in last we are having this number 9754. So, this is the ascending of order of the numbers. First we saw that how many numbers or how many digits are there in each number, and then accordingly we selected the smallest numbers. Of the two, we are having the hundreds place smaller in this 571. So, it comes first, then this number, and accordingly we got the ascending order. Again we have one more question on descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. These are the numbers, and the descending order means arrangement from greatest to smallest. So, select the greatest number. This is having only 4 digits. So, clearly this is the smallest number. Then which one is the greatest? Compare the place value, first place value which has been shown, it is the greatest one, 9. So, this number will come first, 92547, 92,547. Then we will have the next greater number, which is, yes, this 8 is showing us that 88,715 will be the next greater number. Then we have this 4, and clearly this is greater with 5 digits, 45,321, and in last we will have 1971. So, this is the descending order of the numbers. In this way, we discussed how to form numbers by given digits under certain conditions and the ascending and descending order of numbers. In our next class, we will be introducing 10,000 in your place value chart and move on to larger numbers. Till then, make your own numbers, try to arrange them in ascending order, descending order, and try to make numbers by your own set of digits. Keep practicing. Thank you.